Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Excel workbook is closed and that you know which sheet or named table you need. This prevents lock errors. Once ready, open Power BI Desktop and use Home Get Data Excel to begin. When the file dialog appears, select your workbook and click Open. Power BI will show a navigator with sheets and tables. Make sure to scan previews to pick the correct table. If a privacy prompt appears, set the appropriate level so Power BI can load data without blocking. Once you choose a sheet or table, click Transform Data to open Power Query Editor. This is where you shape data before importing. You should promote first row to headers, correct column data types to avoid later errors, and remove empty or irrelevant columns to improve performance. Make targeted transformations like splitting combined fields, unpivoting cross-tab data, or merging queries to consolidate sources. Apply step names and check the Applied Steps pane so you can track and reproduce. Once transformations look correct, click Close and apply to load data into the model. Power BI will run each query and show load progress. After loading, validate by checking row counts, spot-checking key columns, and ensuring data types in the model and report views match expectations. If you encounter errors or missing rows, return to Power Query and inspect the last applied step. Often a type conversion or filter caused it. Also make sure the Excel file has consistent formatting and no merged cells. Fixing those usually resolves most import issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.